Don't forget to check out the link in the description below to buy this amazing wooden name puzzle. Now, have you ever struggled to find the perfect gift for a child? A gift that's not only fun, but also educational? Well, the search may be over with the latest sensation sweeping the gift-giving world, an enchanting wooden name puzzle from Child Universe on Etsy. This isn't your run-of-the-mill puzzle. Crafted with non-toxic and durable materials, this puzzle comes alive in a kaleidoscope of eye-friendly colors. It's designed to engage young minds, teaching children letters, colors, shapes, and most importantly, their unique names. But the charm doesn't stop there. The puzzle can be customized with the recipient's name and phone number, making it a truly personalized gift. The popularity of this puzzle is soaring, with positive reviews pouring in for its design, quality, and educational value. Customers are captivated by the opportunity to gift a unique and customized present that will be cherished by loved ones. The wooden name puzzle is not just a fun plaything but also a tool for learning. It's a gift that keeps on giving, as children can play with it over and over again, learning and reinforcing their knowledge of letters and colors. And for those concerned about the cost, there's good news. The puzzle is surprisingly affordable, with a 70% off sale for the next 16 hours. Plus, gift wrapping is available, adding that extra special touch to your present. Delivery doesn't take too long either. It takes 1 to 3 business days to craft the puzzle, and standard delivery rates are 7 to 10 business days for the USA, 8 to 14 business days for the United Kingdom, and 8 to 16 business days for Europe. However, please note, personalized orders cannot be returned, exchanged, or canceled. But rest assured, the seller is committed to resolving any issues with the order. In summary, the wooden name puzzle from Child Universe on Etsy is a unique, fun, and educational gift that is both personalized and affordable. It's a gift that children will love and learn from, making it a hit with both kids and parents. So why wait? Make your next gift a memorable one with the wooden name puzzle. Don't miss out on this fantastic opportunity to give a gift that truly matters. The wooden name puzzle from Child Universe on Etsy is more than just a toy. It's an educational tool, a keepsake, and a token of love. So why wait? Click the link in the description below and make your purchase today. Remember, every puzzle is unique, just like your child. Don't let this unique gift slip through your fingers. Check out the link in the description below to buy the wooden name puzzle from Child Universe on Etsy right now.